Namaskaro. Welcome to Learn Konkani. In this episode, we will learn about Konkani pronouns, in particular, the correct use of pronouns with respect to gender and tense forms. So, again, welcome to Learn Konkani. Let's learn about pronouns. I have used example of three nouns or objects here, typically for masculine gender, combo, feminine gender, chhatri, and neuter gender, ghar. So let's start. First pronoun I is how. Pay attention. There is nasalization, anuswara, after ha. So it is pronounced how. How. W is usually pronounced with the end a or a u. So how or how. I, how. Example, how Konkani shikta. I am learning Konkani. How ambo khata. I will eat a mango. So I is how. The singular form of you is tu. Tu is you in singular form. How we use in Hindi, tum or neenu in Kannada. In Konkani it is tu, you. Tu Konkani shika, you learn Konkani. Tu ambo kha, you eat the mango. Or tu hanga yo, you come here. Tu, again nasalization, it's not tu, it's tu. So we pronounce how ani tu, I and you both in singular form. In the plural form, ammi, we, tummi, you. You in plural form is tummi. Ammi Konkani shiktachi. Ammi ambo khatachi. Ammi is a plural form, we. Tummi Konkani shikachi. Tummi hanga yayachi. You come here. So plural forms, ammi, tummi, we and you. Let us explore more. To, to, he, to Konkani shikta. He is learning Konkani. To combo. Ti Konkani shikta. Ti she is learning Konkani. Ti na te it te magel ghara or te ghara, that house. So to ti te. To he, ti she, te neuter gender it. Honey is these, as opposed to hai is this, singular. Hai, hai magal ghara, singular. Hai, honey plural. Honey kombe or tanni, those which are far. So this hai, that te, these honey, those tanni. So I repeat, to he, te it, ti she, and then depending on proximity, this, that, this, hai, that is te, these, honey, those, tanni. Further we explore. Maka, to me, te maka di, give that to me. Tukka, hai, tukka dita, I'll give it to you. Makka, to me. Tukka, to you. Amka, to us. Hai, amka di, amka konkani shikai. Tumka, for you in plural. Amka, to us. Tumka, for you in plural. Takka, for him. Tikka, to her. Tanka, to them. Hanka, to them with closer proximity. Like we used te for far, hai for near, like that and this. Plural form, tanka, to them. Hanka, to them with closer proximity. So I repeat, makka, to me. Te makadi, give that to me. Tukka, how tukudita, I'll give it to you. He ambe, amka, these mangoes are for us. He ambe, tumka, these mangoes are for you. Ho, ambo, takka, this mango is for him. He, chhatri, tikka, this umbrella is for her. Or ho ambo, tikka, this mango is for her. He ambe, tanka, these mangoes are for them. He ambe, hanka, as in closer proximity for these. So makka, tukka, amka, tumka, takka, tikka, tanka, hanka. So this is my house. Hai megele, my megele ghar. There is nasalization. Megele ghar. Hai megele ghar. Megele is mine or my. Tugele, yours. Tugele, yours. Hai tugele ghar. Is this your house? Tugele. Amgele, our. Hai amgele ghar. Hai amgele ghar. This is our house. Hai tumgele ghar. Is this your house or yours? Tumgele. Tagele, his. Hai tagele ghar, his house. Hai tigele ghar, her house. Hangele is house of these. Tangele, again for far, their house. So hangele, tangele, both is their house depending on proximity. So megele, my. Tugele, yours. Amgele, ours. Tumgele, yours. Tagele, his. Tigele, hers. Hangele or tangele, theirs, depending on proximity. If it is a masculine gender, we will change the form. For example, I used ghara, neutral gender, megele ghara. For masculine gender, using combo, megelo, lo in the end, megelo, combo, tugelo, combo, amgelo, combo, tumgelo, combo, tagelo, combo, tigelo, combo. This can be any other object. Hangelo, tangelo. So when you are addressing a masculine gender object, magelo, mine, tugelo, yours, amgelo, ours, tumgelo, yours, tagelo, his, tigelo, hers, hangelo or thangelo, theirs. Similarly, use a chhatri for a feminine noun. Li, megeli, chhatri, tugeli, chhatri, amgeli, chhatri, tumgeli, chhatri, tageli, chhatri, tigeli, chhatri, hangeli, tangeli. So the form is megeli, mine, tugeli, yours, amgeli, ours, tumgeli, yours, tageli, his, tigeli, hers, tigele is addressing masculine, hangeli, tangeli when addressing feminine. For neutral, megele, घर. So megelo combo, megeli chhatri, megele घर. So tugelo, tugelo combo, tugeli chhatri, tugele घर. So le becomes neutral gender. So neutral gender, megele, tugele, amgele, tumgele, tangele, tigele, hangele, tangele. So I'll give another example. Megele, megalo combo, megeli chhatri, megele घर. In Konkani, we also use a prefix chi to make it a definitive. For example, ho magelo combo, ho magelochi combo, he magele nama, he magelechi nama. So this is definitely he magel घर, he magelenchi घर. So this chi as a prefix makes it definitive. Some pronouns used for questions. कोणाला हे घर कोणाला in feminine gender becomes konali, he chhatri konali, or masculine it becomes law, ho combo konalo, so becomes konalo, konali, konale. Koi is where, kitle how much, konu who, konaka to whom, kaichana from where, kedana or kenna when, kitaka why. So we'll use gender variables for these in next lesson. To recap today, we used various pronouns and their use. How, ammi, amgelo, amgeli, amgele, tu, tummi, to, tadni, te, he, thoi, hanga, all variable pronouns. Learn to make simple sentences using various pronouns in different gender noun addressing. Thank you for using Learn Konkani. Animalya.